Okay guys, back on this pump, when you put the new bearing in, you want to take a file and you want to chamfer that edge in so it bevels inwards. You want to give it a little bit more of a bevel so that it will slide over your nylon seals a little bit easier without tearing them all to hell. And you want to drop that in there just like that. Tap it in with a press or a block of wood and get it flush level with that, and you should be good to go on your new bearing seal, whatever you call it, race. I don't know what they call these things. I'm a beginner, so if you're a beginner and you're following me, that wasn't so complicated. I would say that probably took me, with no experience, about 5 minutes to get out. Just a little screwdriver type, after I realized I couldn't get it from the inside with the regular screwdriver unless it was long and bent. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back with putting the other taking the other bearing out and pushing these two in. Thanks for watching. Peace.